Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can track miles for DoorDash. But before that, if you don't know DoorDash, it is a popular on-demand food delivery service and app that connects customers with local restaurants, food establishments, in which the DoorDash platform allows users to browse a wide range of nearby restaurants, choose from their menus, place orders, and have the food delivered directly to their doorstep. And if you're a DoorDasher, it is important to track miles in DoorDash for two main reasons. Firstly, tracking mileage helps determine how much money drivers will earn from their trips. Drivers are paid based on the distance traveled. And secondly, it assists drivers in calculating and deducting DoorDash related expenses on their tax returns, potentially leading to significant tax savings. And as you can see under this website, help.doordash.com, it will show you that they use Everlens, in which it is an application that you could also download on your App Store or Google Play Store. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply create your account or sign up for an Everlens account if you haven't already. Then just proceed to connect your DoorDash account or link your DoorDash account to Everlens, in which it will allow Everlens to automatically track your mileage and expenses related to DoorDash. And after that, you can now start tracking miles, since Everlens will automatically track your mileage using GPS, so you don't need to manually log your trips. And aside from tracking your miles, you could also track or classify your expenses like phone bills, tolls, and even your Everlens subscription within the app. And lastly, you can generate reports since Everlens allows you to generate IRS compliant reporting, which is also very important in order to see all of your activity and your data. Since by using Everlens, you can maximize your mileage and business expense deduction, saving your time and money during tax season. But additionally, DoorDash does track mileage and you'll receive an email with your first quarter with your total miles driven. So that is just basically how you can track miles for DoorDash. So if you think this video was helpful, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.